Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at United Health and we are mainly tracking the green scenario, and we will continue to do so until the green support zone breaks and the green count gets invalidated, and that is below $96. After that, I can still provide you a bullish alternative in which we have the yellow scenario where this was instead a wave 1, and it could be either a 1 2 1 2 1 2, or it could be a larger 1 2 1 2. But for now, let's keep focus on the green scenario and move to the shorter time frame. Now down here we have three alternative scenarios. The first one and most simple being that we straight up finish the fourth wave down here in an A, B, C correction to the downside. The second one is the orange scenario, in which we still had an A, B, C here, but this only completed the A wave in orange, after which we would go higher in the B wave with the C wave to follow to the downside. And then we have the white scenario, in which we had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up, and then we would start the fifth wave to the downside, and this would complete the A wave in a larger A, B, C zigzag correction. Now, going on the even shorter time frame, I want to mention firstly that it's possible this fourth wave finished here, or more recently here, since we made a slightly higher high, but I still want to keep the options open until we break the support zone or we complete a proper wave C to the upside. Now, in the last video also, I provided you with two alternatives for the idea of a triangle, and yeah, those got invalidated very quickly, so I'm going to remove those from the chart. Also, this one C wave to the downside got invalidated with this latest move up, and now we are left with two scenarios, and one of them being that we yet again reset this B wave a third time, or actually reset it only a second time. The first time was here, then we moved it here since we made a slightly higher high, and now it's up here. And in this scenario we are still tracking lower in the C wave to the downside, and so far we did go down and we haven't seen a major reaction to the upside yet to say, okay, we have a 1 2 and now we are expecting the third wave, the fourth and the fifth to the downside or anything like that. But we did break above the trend line as well, and we did go right back within it, which also suggests that there's a chance that we end up going sideways even longer still. Now there's a case, a more bullish case, in which we go directly higher in the C wave where, whoops, the B wave might have ended here and now we have started the C wave. And for that I will provide the yellow scenario on the chart like this, and then we have a wave 1 2 3 4 and 5 in the C wave to the upside, and this would clearly be a diagonal. There's no way you can count this wave 1 as a 5-wave move, so the probabilities and reliability of it are let's say low, to keep it simple. But while that still is true, we did react very nicely to the 61.8% retracement in this area. Now, while you can use this area to enter into a trade to the upside, I want to caution like mindfulness and carefulness in this area. This pattern is not reliable. It's a diagonal at best, and it's still possibly and likely, just as likely at least, that we go lower in the wave C to the downside and finish the wave B only after that. Overall, you do have two support zones. You have the yellow support zone and between $314 down to $302, and you also have the white support zone from $293 down to $263. So this is the trade setup. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. I will keep you updated, and I guess I will see you in the next video, or at least I hope I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.